everyone. This is the RD, a versatile mower designed to work in different types of vegetation. It is available in 1300, 1500, and 1700 millimeter versions. Now for some important technical information. Blades protection box, blade holder bar, hitch header, multiplier transmission box, drive shaft, protection case, blades, hitch, blade fixing bearing, rear protector with chains, depth wheel, cutting adjustment shoe, full support with chains, header support, to facilitate transport, the RD leaves the factory pre-assembled. Follow the instructions to get it ready to use. Place the depth wheel. Remove the gearbox plug and place the dipstick breather in its place. Check initial oil level. Couple the tractor. Check if the tractor is weighted at the front or front wheels. Slowly approach the mower in reverse. Use the hydraulic position control handle to bring the lower left arm at the level of the mower hitch. Engage the lower left arm in the mower support through the hitch pin. Couple the third point of the tractor to the RD support. Then, with the help of the regulating lever, lock the lower right arm in the support. Assemble the drive shaft. Make sure the internal and external terminals are in the same plane and aligned. Finish by coupling the drive shaft to the tractor PTO and to the gearbox. The hitch will only be completed when the lock engages, okay? Center the mower in relation to the longitudinal axis of the tractor. Align the top hitch with the third point of the tractor. Fully raise the mower. Check the distances of the hydraulic lower arms in relation to the tractor tires. They must be equivalent. Level the mower in relation to the longitudinal axis of the tractor. Make sure the tractor is on a flat location. Use the adjustments of the upper and lower right arms to level. All right, it's ready. See how the mower looks after it is coupled to the tractor. Now, let's see some possibilities of adjustments that the RD has. The height of the cut can be adjusted as needed. On the side shoes, loosen nuts, lock washers, and splined plates. Adjust the side shoes to the desired height. Retighten everything. On the rear wheel, loosen the nuts and washers and remove the screws. Adjust the rear wheel to the desired height through the support hole. Replace and retighten everything. This mower can work in a central or lateral position in relation to the tractor. Loosen the nuts that secure the header support without removing it. Remove nuts and bolts. Move the header to the other blade protection box support. Replace the screws and nuts, securing the header. Retighten the nuts that secure the header support. The gearbox has oblong holes. When positioning the header support in the lateral position, if necessary, loosen the screws and turn the box to better position the drive shaft. Maintain the friction of the mower with the 30mm adjustment on the spring. Tighten all springs evenly, approximately 1/3 of a turn, to compensate for wear on the discs. Repeat this procedure if the clutch starts firing. Here are some important tips to prolong the life of the RD. The RD has the following options: rear depth wheel, height limiting hitch, turntable. Always talk to a Baldan dealer about your needs and working conditions. Your mower is unique, so it's important to keep your identification visible for any consultation, okay? The nameplate has model, serial number, manufacturing date, in addition to a QR code, which if scanned, leads directly to the instruction manual, parts catalog, and this video. Oh, and so that no one is left without information, the RD comes with a printed version of the manual, which comes with its invoice. Until next time, everyone!